Heave 2, all ahead slow. Engage stabilizers now.
Aye, stabilizers engaged.
Secure the main deck, watch the container lashings.
The pressure is dropping rapidly, sir.
I see it. Inform the engine room we are slowing down.
Lights and cameras secure. Thrusters checked out on the tablet. Umbilical integrity confirmed. We are ready for deployment. Okay, we have impact. Cables feeding out smoothly.
Confirmed. Depth increasing rapidly.
Rotate to starboard, we're clear for landing.
Copy that. Lowering now.
Easy, easy! Aft line secure, lower away.
Easy now. Keep it coming down slow. Watch the starboard side. Roger that. Steady descent.
Secure the forward chain, then move to the doors. Aye, Foreman, it's locked down tight now.
Look at that! Oh, is that a Lambo? It's completely ruined.
Hook is secure. Start the lift. Slow winch, we have water draining. Keep it level.
Check the seals on the passenger side.
Looks like water intrusion here.
Noted. Get photos of the undercarriage.